This is it! Morris, make me sneeze! Oh, I can't take it the back! Morris, make me sneeze! 1 goose, 2 ducks, 3 crows, 4 French, 5 flowers, 6 feet, 7 peas, 8 eyes, 9 butts, 10 butterflies. The ant. This is the corner. The Morris, make me sneeze. Or don't go to bed. The hair. Like the government, the cruise, Morris, make me sneeze. Oh, we're gonna, because I can't mess that one. We, Maria got the egg shake of test. Go fun again, don't go like Morris, make me sneeze. I'm gonna get the current. Screen. Find the good, like I'm gonna put it up. Or put the brush. Oh! What's the good? Attention, no. The guy. Let's try it again. Oh! The Morris, make me sneeze. Oh, I'm gonna wear it. On your mark, get set, go. The race a car to get Morris, make me sneeze. What do we? We can't turn to Morris, make me sneeze, or like something of the final knot. To go to Morris, make me sneeze. Oh, no, Morris, make me sneeze. Or I can't for is what do when let's get the word good. Morris, make me sneeze. Word no. What happened? What the track? We do know the Morris, make me sneeze. What stupid? Let's get the no wait the Morris, make me sneeze. Oregon forever. You could Morris, make me sneeze. Oregon not. Here you come. Oregon better come. The Morris, make me sneeze. Oregon the voting. Oh my goodness, the last thing. It gonna was kind of the Morris, make me sneeze. Oregon is what stupid? Looking in the face, take out forever, the lost forever. Buzz, what that in the one?
Baby.
And? What is it? What's the cat's name?
Yeah, it was Bootsy. Calico.
Quick, escape! Stickers! Let's go grab. Pete the cat. Go, Pete, go! Round 1. You. Fight! No! Not this good. Is that? What? Or I guess like dude, the Fly Guy play says sharks. Round 2. Fight. Morris, make a sneeze. For stop more. Let's go. Let's look at this. Let's go. Let's scoot. Fly Guy and the freaking fly. Round 3. Fight. No, what did you? What's that? Don't go to. We're let's quit. Pete the cat. Too cool for cool. Round 4. Fight. Morris, make me sneeze. What? Don't let it stop. What? Don't! Whiskers, the Morris make me sneeze. I don't wait. I just gonna with something. The goose. Round 6. You're welcome for the trip. Round 5. Fight.
On time, and you've got a kitty cat taking your place at home. You're not just not a boss, you're not even a good baby. So are you calling for help from a real executive baby who hasn't gone soft? Because I'm one of those. No, I'm calling to set the table for how breathtaking my victory will be later, and to get the last word.
Pete the cat. Robo Pete. Round 6. Fight. This is gonna it's like here. Oh, what are the Pete the cat. Snow days. Round 7. Fight. Peter cat, scuba cat. Round 8. Fight.
This house first stays out for good.
What? That is an insane contest. Why would you even offer that?
You don't think I can win?
That's not what I'm saying. Meow.
I honestly can't tell if you're agreeing to terms or just swearing at me.
Meow.
I'll take it as a yes. Deal. May the cutest baby win. Jimbo, will you please stop petting the cat?
Let's go with Final presents the White House. Final round. Fight. Oh, Morris, make me sneeze. What are we talking about? There's gonna be what's the forever? No, I got it for face. You got her tomorrow. I got some.
You're both so cute. I don't know who to hug first.
Same time.
Baby, no.
Hey, Morris, make these knees. That's goodness. Wait! No. What happened?
Timothy Templeton? It wasn't me, Mom. The kitten. Oh, the kitten was playing football in the living room? What? We'll discuss punishment later. For now, just go outside. You can roughhouse all you want out there. And take the baby with you. I don't want him around all this broken glass.
Outside? I lost.
Forget the stupid contest. You don't have to go. We can fix this.
No, Templeton. I made a deal. First out stays out. And I stand by my word. Bootsy Calico, I can't say I like you, but I respect a challenge well played.
No. Oh my God! Whiskers, no, Morris, make this knees, or it's what the. Or it's curious. No, Morris, make this knees, or the. Good if it's awkward to destroy score, but the good possible. I took to me. There's like a word that I come to quit with school, but well, Morris, make these knees. I don't want to wait too good. You could top or toy are silver trap or not. There's a good Morris make needs or you go off of the way the office road or what do Whisker Morris make these needs or yes, for sake. There's a cover. There's a question on Morris make these needs or I got you would to kill oversight the office organ instead or Morris. It was Morris make these knees or you're talking about there's a good super overdone or you have like the figures gonna you you're queer or a creatures or did they think and stop or not? Does it work? It'll be a two way I didn't dare.
Now! First out, stay out. Boom! Still got it.
Did your plan happen?
Great so Morris! Gamers no ways. 20 the scary where's